How happy had it been for me had I been slain in the battle! It had been far more noble to have died the victim of the enemy than fall a sacrifice to the rage of my friends. I am indebted to my father for living, but to my teacher for living well. Whatever possession we gain by our sword cannot be sure or lasting, but the love gained by kindness and moderation is certain and durable. How should a man be capable of grooming his own horse, or of furbishing his own spear and helmet, if he allows himself to become unaccustomed to tending even his own person, which is his most treasured belonging? Whatever possession we gain by our sword cannot be sure or lasting, but the love gained by kindness and moderation is certain and durable. I had rather excel others in the knowledge of what is excellent, than in the extent of my power and dominion. A tomb now suffices him for whom the whole world was not sufficient. For my own part, I would rather excel in knowledge of the highest secrets of philosophy than in arms. There is nothing impossible to him who will try. There is something noble in hearing myself ill spoken of when I'm doing well. With the right attitude, self-imposed limitations vanish. As for a limit to one's labors, I, for one, do not recognize any for a high-minded man, except that the labors themselves should lead to noble accomplishments. Now you fear punishment and beg for your lives, so I will let you free, if not for any other reason so that you can see the difference between a Greek king and a barbarian tyrant, so do not expect to suffer any harm from me. A king does not kill messengers. When we give someone our time, we actually give a portion of our life that we will never take back. Each moment free from fear makes a man immortal. In faith and hope the world will disagree, but all mankind's concern is charity.